This question seems like you should just be able to look at it and know the answer, but it's a little more complicated than that. They want to know the acceleration of the block. Well, net force is equal to mass times acceleration. In order for us to get the acceleration, we're going to need to know either the net force, or we're going to need to know both the net force and the mass. So let's figure out which one we want to go after first. I think we should focus on mass. A little more complicated. We look at our picture. Is there any way to find mass? They didn't give it to us. Well, please, please, please remember that if you ever know the weight, also called the force of gravity, you can immediately find the mass and vice versa. The equation we use to do that is mass times g, or gravity, acceleration due to gravity, which on Earth is always 9.8. So if you have one, you have the other. In this situation, we have force of gravity. So we could do force of gravity, which is 3, equals mass. Acceleration due to gravity, again, is 9.8. So we do some math. We do 3 divided by 9.8, and we get 0.31 kilograms. Okay, so that takes care of the mass over here in this equation. And now all we need is the net force. Well, you look at the picture. Try and get rid of any balanced forces when you're looking at net force. 3 newtons down, 3 newtons up, they cancel each other out. That leaves only one force that can contribute to the net force in this situation, which is the 5 Newton. So A is equal to 5 newtons divided by 0.31. So our acceleration is there 16 newtons. Few things that I would definitely grade, and you should keep an eye on. I would definitely look for this equation to see if you were going to find the mass. I would probably give you a point for finding the mass correctly. I'd probably give you a point for identifying that the net force was 5, and using the net force is equal to mass times acceleration equation correctly. I'd give you an answer for I'd give you a point for the answer, and I give you a point for the units. Okay, keep a close eye on those.